Hello and welcome. I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. I only did one eye today. Oh, on my nails I am wearing a NYX Girls Polish in Perfect Gray. It's a cream finish. On my lips I'm wearing this Burt's Bees Refreshing Lip Balm. I have a boo-boo right there. I bit my lip. I can't put on lipstick or anything because it hurts. Anyways, I already applied my lip primer, which is the Nika K lip primer. I did my brows with Jordana brow pencil and taupe. And I'm going to be using this color, this Icon eyeshadow palette. It's by Absolute, and this is remember this one is Exposure. Yeah, Exposure. Here's what that looks like. Okay, I'm going to begin by, let's take this brush out and use it. I'm going to take that shadow right there. The name of it is Nectar. Nectar. I put Nectar. I gotta stop messing with my lip. And apply that on the brow bone. So how you guys been? Doing good, thank God. It's nice to know you guys are doing good also. So yeah, more than likely we're gonna be heading out after this, hopefully, God willing. I have things I want to share with you guys, but I just gotta pick the timing so it could be right. Anyways, now got that out the way. Now I'm gonna go in with, oops, where is it? Excuse me. There it goes. Back with the palette, and I'm gonna pick up this one in Toast. That's Toast. And applying that on my lid. It's a lovely color, lovely eyeshadow. Apply that on the lid. Very natural, very pretty. It's for like every day. And if you're going out, you could apply a little bit of glitter in the middle or something, depending on where you're going. Done. Okay. Now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that powder right there, apply that in my outer corner, give a little dimension, give some depth, and put some in the crease as well. So yeah, I think I'm ready to share. It's not new stuff, but things with you guys. I believe I'm ready. Okay, so and it's not easy, but I'm still healing, you know, from a deep hurt, and it's part of the healing process. And if you guys are going through loss, we can go through it together. The healing process. Okay, now we're going to blend that out. Okay. Now, take this Wet n Wild by Fergie cream liner, and this is, I think, there it goes. Little Black Dress. Okay. And lash my upper, lash my upper. Sure, you're right. I will be lining my upper lash line. Little Black Dress. Oh boy. What can I say? Gotta keep it rolling. Wait a minute. Those of you who know me know that my eyesight is really poor, and I don't wear contacts, so I'm taking a lot of chances when I do this. I'm so very careful because I don't want to hurt myself. This cream liner is so nice. It really is. Perfect. There you go. Okay. And I'm going to be applying 2 different mascaras. Why? Because I'm trying to use them up. And this is LA Colors Little Mini Mascara in black. And this one by Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in black also. So I'm going to begin with the LA Colors. So yeah. What you guys been up to? I've been up to my eyebrows and paperwork and all kinds of stuff. You know, when you want something really bad, you have to hustle for it. You do. You want it bad enough. And I do. I really do. Required my attention so much that it's not that I didn't want to be on YouTube. I didn't have the time. I really didn't have the time. And when I did have the time, I was dead on my feet, tired. It happens. It's called priorities. You gotta get them in order, you know. But did I miss you guys? Terribly. Very much. Very, very much. Now I'm gonna put on the Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm just gonna layer one more time. I apply the LA Colors one more time. Depending, let's see. It's coming along nice, okay. So yeah, well, this eyeshadow palette is by Absolute Nika K. Same thing. You know. Yeah, Absolute New York. My husband had bought me all 4 of these. And it's been a while. It's been a while. I look at my makeup and I'm like, wow, man. I gotta put this stuff to use. And pretty soon I will anyways. But videos. And why not? I would greatly appreciate if you guys let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. Like requests. Excuse me. You know, like any topics. Anything. About myself, about New York. Okay, this is going to be the last little layer. These mascaras seem to be never ending. Wow. Okay, it's because I haven't been wearing mascara. I'm surprised they're still good. Truth be told. It's been like, what, 4 months? I'm pleasantly surprised. Yes, indeed. Okay. So, that's how the look turned out. You know what? Let's take it to the kitchen. Where the lighting is better. See? Oh boy. And the window's not open. That's how loud they play the music. So yeah. It's a nice day out. And I, for one, I want to go outside. So, that's it for the look. It's a natural, everyday look. These for work, church, anything. So, see you guys in a little bit. Thank you for watching. I do hope you all enjoyed. May God continue to bless you and everyone you love always. Until next time, and you all stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.